A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect for Porsgrunn, Telemark, Norway. Thunderstorms with very heavy rains, strong gust winds and possible small hail continue to rumble across Porsgrunn, Telemark, Norway and Skien this evening. At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the line of thunderstorms stretched from Larvikostfold to just west of Langesund and Staffeldembel. No severe weather has been reported in AO West Telemark at this time. But here around 5 a.m., as the storms move across the Greater Skien Airport, rainfall and the wind gusted to 43 miles per hour. Thunderstorms will move rapidly through Porsgrunn County's Stridsklev, Easted, Brevik between Eastern Daylight Time and 15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The severe thunderstorm watch area will continue to be monitored for possible clearing this evening.